Good morning, second grade. Today's Tuesday. Today, your two assignments in the Wonders to-do list is to listen to the shared reading and to go through this cause and effect presentation. Okay, so we have gone over cause and effect once or maybe twice, but just as a little refresher, a cause is an event that makes something happen, and an effect is what happens because of that event. Okay, so I would listen to this story before you do this part. Okay, so if you have already listened to the story, that is great. You're going to click on the arrow to continue. Okay, so you click on the arrow, and the directions up here say, reread the passage, highlight text that tells where the Changs go, and then highlight the text that tells about the effects of that trip. Okay, so if you need help, you can use the Think Aloud to help you. Okay, so we're just going to reread this part, and I'm going to do the first one with you. So, Janet Chang recently visited Philadelphia with her family. Philadelphia was the first capital of the United States. The Changs went there to learn about their country's history or past. Okay, so we learned that Janet Chang and her family go to Philadelphia. That is going to be our first cause. Okay, so then we're going to need to keep reading to find out the effects of their trip. So what is the effect of the Changs going to Philadelphia? Okay, so in one of the circles over on the left-hand side, you are going to write the Chang family visits Philadelphia. Okay, so now we need to figure out our effect. So what happened because they went to Philadelphia? Okay, so then we need to read this section. So first they went to Independence Hall. That's where the Declaration of Independence was signed, Janet exclaimed. She was excited to be there. And then ringing for freedom. The Changs later visited the Liberty Bell. It is said that the famous bell rang on July 8th, 1776. That's when the first public reading of the Declaration of Independence took place. Okay, so we're highlighting the effect. So that's what happened because they went to Philadelphia. Okay, and then we're going to write that in our effect box. Okay, so our effect of them going to Philadelphia is we learn that they see a lot of historic places. Okay, so it is going to be your job now to keep reading and filling out the rest of this organizer. Okay, so you can just use this one. Make sure you are using the type. So there's a T in the bottom left-hand corner. And then make sure you click on the save so that it will save it in your binder. Okay, the save key looks like an old square computer disk with a pencil. When you finish the assignment, make sure you click on the blue submit button and it will check it off your to-do list. Have a good day, second grade.